Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Fort Myers, local and long distance movers near me. Finding a long distance Fort Myers moving company to relocate to or from Fort Myers can be stressful, especially if you aren't sure where to start. In the moving industry, long distance moves usually means the job is over 100 miles. Suppose the mover is crossing state lines. In that case, it's regulated by the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration, called FMCSA. It should be following the rules that the agency has set up to protect consumers like you from fraud. Even if your long distance move is entirely within Florida, calling 3 Movers is a safe bet. Our local crews are registered with the FMCSA and follow the guidelines for interstate transfers. Our representatives will come to your residence to complete an inventory of what you are moving, whether to or from Fort Myers, and give you a long distance move rate quote, included the cost of any services you want to consider. When you move in the local Fort Myers area, you're most likely looking for moving companies that are familiar with the location and plenty of experience. Experts recommend that you get 3 written estimates from moving companies so that you can compare prices. Call 3 Movers for one of those estimates. Our representatives will come to your home or business and complete a thorough review of the work that needs to be done. Some movers will submit a bid based on the phone conversation, but a visual survey is more accurate, and it gives you a chance to meet our professional, hardworking team. Our guys will explain how the estimates work. It's based on how long the move will take and what factors could cause the price to go up. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Fort Myers moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.